salam. Sit down. How are you? I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. When I was coming to you class, I thought about SOAPA, and there was NP and SP. Do you know about SOAPA?
No, sir.
Do you know the educate? What is the personification of the word educate? Bar. Darao. Stand up. What is the personification of the word educate? Bar. What is the noun of this word?
Education.
Education. Sit down. What is the personification of the word decide? Stand up. You. Bar. What is the noun of this word? Thank you. Give a big hand. Sit down. At the beginning of our class, we learned a slogan. At first, you say with me, SOAPA. People see? SOAPA. You must copy me. You must follow me. What I am going to discuss in front of you. You utters loudly. When I utters, you also utters with me. SOAPA. NP. SP. Janto. LOI. Suffix prefix. Pad দিয়ে শিখবো। বলো আবার বলো কি বলছি? Very good. You are so meritorious student, because when I discuss in front of you a slogan, you memorize that slogan and you can understand. For this reason, I am grateful to you. Thank you, sir. Okay. SOAPA NP SP জানতে হবে সাবজেক্ট প্রিফিক্স আমাদের সোতে এসতে সাবজেক্ট ওতে অবজেক্ট আর আপার এতে আর্টিকেল আবার পিতে আর পিতে পসেসিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ আর লাস্টেতে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। তাহলে এখন এই ছয়টা জায়গা কিসের? নাউনের। সোতে এবং আপের পরে কি বসে? নাউন বসে। কি বসে? নাউন বসে। এখন আমরা একটু আসি যে সাবজেক্ট মানে সাবজেক্টের জায়গায় কি বসবে? নাউন। এখন তুমি একটু এখানে তাকাও, দেখো তোমাদের প্রজেক্টে দেওয়া আছে educate is the backbone of a nation. and Muhammad Masdur Rahman is an educated person. He is an English teacher. He liked the society. He teaches us English to keep pace with the change world. তাহলে এখানে আমরা একটু ফলো করি, দেখো এটা হচ্ছে is টা কোন পার্সন স্পিচ? verb. Is verb. Verb. The subject of is must be noun. The subject of is must be noun. We know subject of verb, object of preposition is noun. When you use the form of subject, you must use the subjective form. But here, educate is verb. Verb. For this reason, we must change this word into noun. Because it is the place of subject. It is the place of subject. The owner of this place is noun. এই জায়গার নাম কে? এই জায়গার মালিক কে? Noun. তাহলে দেখো, educate হচ্ছে verb. এটা noun করতে গেলে কি? You must add suffix shom. তাহলে কি হবে? Education. The subject of verb is noun. For this reason, we change this verb into noun. Education. Education is the backbone of a nation. শিক্ষাই জাতির মেরুদণ্ড। Muhammad Masdur Rahman is Educate person. আচ্ছা দেখো person is a noun. Person is a noun. Before person we must use adjective. We must use but here educate is verb. Here educate is verb. Here educate is here educate is কি? Here educate is কি? verb.